Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make my homemade paprika powder. You know, most times in my recipes I normally use paprika, and I went to the freezer and I saw that I have got loads of this red pepper in my freezer taking up much space, and I said okay, let me see what I can do with it, and the idea came and I did it. So it's not much. What you need is the red pepper, this one, and your knife and your chopping board. So let's get started. But before we move on this video, I would like to thank all my subscribers, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do by clicking on the red button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell next to it. It will make you to get notified each time we upload new videos. So let's move on. I'm going to be taking this, they're all washed, and I'm going to be cutting. I've removed this from it, and then I'll be cutting this into thin cutting it thinly, very thin, like this size, just like this. And when I am done, I will let you know. So this is how it looks like when done. So what I'll be doing, I'll be putting them on this towel because they are a bit wet, this kitchen towel, and I'll just pat them dry. Pat them dry, then I'll put them on my tray. This is method number 1. Put them on your tray, on your oven tray, and you preheat the oven and you put them in the oven. That's method number 1. But I will strongly advise that you don't close your oven door 100%. Just leave it open a little bit. Keep the children out of there for health and safety reasons. You know, cooking is fun when there is no accident. So this is my first method. You put it in the oven and keep an eye on it. But I'm not going to be using this method. I'm just telling you what method to use. Another method is you can put it in the sun if you are living in a place that the sun is a bonus to you. It's always coming out. So you put it there and keep an eye on it, and you can sun dry it. But this one I'm going to be using today, I'm going to be introducing to you my new baby. I just got it and I tried it and it worked out so well. So I'll be showing you that. This is it, my dehydrating machine. So you can hear it. It got 5 trays. So I'll be putting in my pepper there. Careful. I'll be putting in my peppers there, and I'm going to put them, not overcrowding each tray. Put them there, and they're going to stay for more than 24 hours. You can leave it overnight. It's safe as long as you follow the guide rules of how to use it. And I'm not saying because of this you should go and buy a dehydrating machine. You can, if you can, fine. It's on the Amazon, you can get it. eBay, you can get it online. Even in some stores you can get it. So I'll be preparing this now, leaving it, and I'll show you how it looks like. This is what I did. I got my parchment paper, put it in and put them on top. I've got 4 trays. This is an extra one, I'm not going to use it. I'll just cover it and switch it on. Set it on 60, and it's going to be there for more than 24 hours until it's dry, and you will know that yes, this one is ready. And the most important, good thing about this is that you can be doing it, make yourself a cup of coffee or tea, or be watching your movies. It's not going to get burnt. Everything is going to be okay, and it's going to retain all the nutrients in it. None is going to get evaporated, so that by the time you're having it, you're having your full nutrient inside the paprika. If you put it in the oven, tendency is there that it might get burnt, so you have to keep an extra eye on it. But if you put it in the sun, dust may come in, all those stuff. But if you put it in the sun, it's better you cover it with a plain thin sheet of cloth so that it will only absorb the heat and not the dust or any other thing. Okay, I'll see you when it is ready to show you how it is done. This is how it looks like, because I've done this before that one, and this one is did for dehydrated for about 30 hours. So you can see, so beautiful, the color is still retained and is dried. So what I'll be doing now is I'll be putting this in my blender and I'll be blending, and that will be our homemade paprika powder. So you can do it any time of the year. You will have it at home. Blade. The dehydrating machine is very wonderful. It retained all the flavor. The flavor was just there when I tasted it. Far better than the one in store. I'm not joking. I'm not saying you should go for it, but if you can and you desire it, it's good. And you'll be having paprika powder and so many other things like that all through the year. When it is in season, the red pepper, when it is in season, you get as many as possible, and you know how to do it. And even if you don't want to do it that way, the way we've just done it, by dehydrating it or putting it in the oven or sun drying it, you can just cut them into small pieces like I did show you, and store them in your freezer. That will allow you to have more space. If you like what you have seen so far, why don't you give this video a thumbs up? And if you have not yet subscribed, please do by clicking on the red button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell next to it. That will allow you to be notified each time we upload new videos. You can share this video with your friends and families, and you can even let me know how it goes with you by trying this recipe at home. Whenever you try it at home, let me know. You can share your pictures with me on my Instagram page. The link to my Instagram page is in the description box below. You can comment, send the way you feel about this recipe today. Let me know how you agree with it, or if you don't agree with it, or things you want me to improve on this channel, or recipes you want to see on this channel. You are all welcome. So before we go, keep on enjoying life, keep on trying out new things, keep on exploring, and you keep on discovering, and I can assure you, you will enjoy even better. Till next time, bye.